Hello creators, and welcome to Creating with Miss Kaye. If this is your first time stopping by, I would like to welcome you to my channel. My name is Kaye and I am your host. If this isn't your first time and you are one of my previous subscribers, you know that you are welcome, appreciated, and loved. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I decorated my fireplace with my winter decor. This is a part of a series. This is video number 2. In my previous video, I showed you my entryway table, which I'm using little hints of black. Black is my color for this winter. So I am feeling a lot of black, not because I'm gloomy, but black is dramatic, black is a little sexy, and black is just a nice color to me. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I put my fireplace mantle together with my winter decor. Thank you so much. This is my empty fireplace. It's all cleaned off, and let's start decorating. The first item that I'm adding is my candle holder. It's a nice silver candle holder that looks pretty good on this wall. This here is a chandelier that we had hanging up in the guest bedroom, but once it was taken down, I wanted to hold on to it, even though I knew it wouldn't ever get hung back up in another room. I knew I would decorate somewhere in the house with it, and this moment is a good time. So I added just one of the candles from the Dollar Tree, and I put it up under the bottom, and then I put it up top. We had 2 of these chandeliers. One was in one bedroom, was white, the other one was black, so I might do something with the white one as well. I'm adding 3 silver branches that I ordered from Z Gallery over the summer. They had them on sale. I use these in my Christmas decor. I just never put them up. I'm adding them on top just to bring in that silver, and I love branches for winter decorating. They sell them in odd numbers, so I wish I had the 4th one, but we're going to work with what we have. My next step was adding these crystal beaded candle holders. I have had these for a very long time. The base was silver, but when I was doing all my DIYs, I went ahead and painted the base black. I can actually rinse them off, rub them pretty good. It's not permanent paint, and so far I like how it looks. I added some tea light candles to the inside to give it just, that romantic cozy look. To tie things all together, I'm using my frosted pine cone snow picks. I'm using 2 of them because those branches are in the back, so they needed to be covered, and they did a good job. On each side of the branches, I added just a little bit more greenery. You can never go wrong with greenery. Everything is tied in together, and I'm pretty much happy with how it looks. I don't think it's over decorated. I'm really trying to do a more simple look for the winter. I'm not ready to glam everything out quite yet. I'm really loving this romantic feel. So I think this is all that I'm going to add to my mantle. I'm very, very happy with how it looks. I'm going to just show you another look at my entryway table in case you didn't see it, but the link will be in my description box, so you can go back and look at the video of just my entryway table. I think the 2 together are looking pretty good. Once you clear things out and you start redecorating and bringing things back in, I just like to try not to have everything so cluttered. and the clean space brings such a calmness. You know, it's winter, it's cold, and like I was saying before, you want to be a little bit more cozy. You've just gotten over the rush of Christmas. You kind of want to calm things down, come in, relax. You're indoors a lot, you know, have a nice bowl of soup, hot chocolate, hot cup of tea, and just relax. I love how everything looks with the lights down low and just the tea light candles flickering. It looks really, really pretty to me. And you know what? I forgot to even turn my fireplace on. That would have really set everything off. I would like to thank you so much for watching. If you are not one of my subscribers and you like these type videos and you like to create, you want to be inspired, why don't you go ahead and click the subscribe button? And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tune in for my next video, which will be a part of this Winter Decor series. Thank you again. See you soon.